Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Exness to a USDT TRC20 wallet. This is important if you want fast withdrawals and low fees, so make sure you follow each step carefully. First, log into your Exness personal area. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the crypto wallet section. When you find it, tap Withdrawal to begin. Now, select Tether USDT TRC20 as the withdrawal method. Make sure it specifically says TRC20, that's the Tron network, and it's the one with very low transaction fees. Next, go to your crypto wallet or exchange and copy your USDT TRC20 address. Then paste it into X. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct. Using the wrong network can cause permanent loss of funds. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, and then tap Continue. Exness will now ask you to verify the withdrawal. You can choose SMS or push notification. If you choose SMS, enter the verification code you received to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, your withdrawal will begin processing. To track it, just go to Transaction History in your dashboard. At first it will say Processing, and once completed, it will change to Done. After that, the USDT will show in your wallet shortly, and that's it. You've successfully withdrawn from Exness to USDT TRC20. Quickly and safely.